Here is the weekly weather briefing for the week of January 27th through February 2nd for Southeast Louisiana and Southern Mississippi. I am Fred, one of the many forecasters here at the National Weather Service, New Orleans, Baton Rouge, actually located in Slidell, Louisiana. I'll go over a few things for the upcoming week. And when we say we're expecting an active and progressive weather pattern, that doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to have strong storms and flooding rains. We just had a system move through, and we're going to be drying out from Monday and Tuesday. We're expecting a second system to bring a chance of rain and storms along the coast, rain across the area, and storms, possibly thunderstorms along the coast, well over the coastal waters by late Tuesday into Wednesday. And another system will bring elevated chances of rain on Friday. Again, because of the progressive system, these systems moving across fairly quickly across the area doesn't give it enough time for a lot of that moist and unstable air to get in place and for those fronts to lift it up. So we're not expecting severe weather. And because these systems are moving fairly quickly, flooding rains is not anticipated through the week. Again, both impacts are not expected through the week. Here's the rainfall forecast through Saturday. These two systems will bring a chance of rain across the area through Saturday, but the amounts may range from only a half an inch across the north, southern Mississippi, and east central Louisiana to an inch across the south, south of Lake Pontchartrain and southeast Louisiana towards the Louisiana coast. This should not cause any additional impacts across the area. We do have some rivers in flood, the Mississippi River from Reserve all the way up to Red River, and some points actually further north, and also the Pearl River, the points of Pearl River and Bogalusa are still in flood, and they will remain in flood all the way through the week. The good thing is once these two systems kind of move through, especially the Friday system, we're expecting a dry weekend for next weekend. The temperatures for January, January is usually our coldest month, and January 19th, 20th through the early 20th is usually the coldest, climatological coldest part of the winter. But for this time of year, our temperatures are actually near normal for the week. We're expecting highs in the 60s and lows around probably upper 40s for extreme northern parts of our area, Macomb area, but mostly around 40s for east central Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Slidell, Hammond, and the Mississippi coast. And south of the lake for New Orleans, those temperatures are a little bit warmer as far as this time of year. We're expecting temperatures in the 60s for highs all the way through Saturday, and lows in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. And so we're not anticipating any freezing temperatures for this week. Again, drying out tomorrow and Tuesday. Another system may bring some rain late Tuesday into Wednesday. And then another system on Friday will bring some rain. We're expecting some of those storms to remain, thunderstorms to remain over the coastal waters or even further south than that. Severe weather and flooding rains are not anticipated through the week, and no freezing temperatures are expected. If you have any additional questions, just give us a call. We answer those questions about temperatures or any kind of events that you guys may be having. We give you any kind of forecast for that. But we'll be here 24 hours a day, and we'll see you next Thursday.